If you're new to TikTok and you have never edited a video before, maybe you want to shorten some clips that you filmed or cut it together so you don't have to film it all in one take, or you just have footage that you have recorded in the past and you want to compile it together into one video. Let me just show you how easy it is to trim a video on TikTok. Hi and welcome back to day 61 of 100 social media tips. So what you want to do is get your videos. Say I want to use this video here and I want to trim it together so it's not super long and you just like cut shorter together. What you want to do is click this button in the top right and you will see the timeline of your video. Next, what you want to do is actually tap it and you can just trim off the beginning and ends like such so that it can just be a shorter clip in general. But let's just say I want to break this up into multiple pieces. What you can do again is say that I want it to separate here. I want to get rid of this section, so click split and then click split here. I can just delete this part together, or if I want it even shorter, just move this bar across and it'll make that video shorter as well. So now it has cut into the next part that I already trimmed and split up. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.